I'm at the Elkheart Cliffs trailhead today, and I'm here with Haley and Zoe. We're going to be canyoneering through Diana's Throne. It's just a short slot canyon here. Should be really fun though. We're really excited and hoping to have a really good time. We're just getting to our cut over point, headed down to the wash below us. Down we go. Looks like there's two optional rappels here. We just kind of are walking around them because it's muddy at the bottom, and figured we'd avoid the mud if there wasn't any reason to get in it. But that's the water we're trying to avoid. It's a black and nasty looking. So successfully avoided. We're back down in the canyon. All right, we're gonna put our gear on here, and we've got a couple rappels right here we're gonna do to get down to the bottom of that. So. All right, on to our next rappel. Nice.
Good job. High five, sis.
That wasn't hard at all.
Good?
Ooh.
All right, that was a fun obstacle to down climb, and we're at our next rappel right here.
Come on down here.
Right down this little slide looking thing. All right, we've got ourselves a nice little down climb here. Haley's going down first. check out this sweet section. It's just like twisty. That looks really cool. That was our last rappel. So now we just have a short hike out of here. This is awesome. Check it out.
Come on, this way.
And there's the exit. Awesome, that was a sweet canyon. We all had a ton of fun. Those guys are still back there. Almost to our cars now. We just got a short little hike to go and then we'll be done. We are back at the car. That was awesome. We had tons of fun. That was a really fun canyon. Zoe loved it. If you like that video, you should give it a thumbs up. And we've also got quite a few other canyoneering videos as well. So check out our channel for that. We've got a playlist with all of those. And thanks for watching.